Alright, today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I bought the Elgato Wave 3 in the white, and I want to test out to see how much better the audio quality is compared to my headset, which it should be a lot better. I also did get the filter for it. Okay, well, we can get the Amazon box out of the way. Just throw it there on the ground. That is what it looks like. The camera I'm using for above my desk is not that great. I am going to get another one. I will do an unboxing of that too. Right now I'm using a camcorder that's directly hooked up to my computer, and it's a 4K camcorder, but when it's hooked up to the computer it only does 720, and kind of a crappy shitty yeah, kind of a crappy 720. So as you can see, I just opened it. Slide that out, and we can get Wave 3 exterior box out of the way. And we have, oh, it wants me to download something. Oh, yeah, download the Wavelink app to get started. We are not going to do that yet. Let's see what's in this little bitty box. I probably should bring the mic, or let's see if I can adjust the, no, well then, let's see. Okay, that is a little bit better. Well, in that box we have USB cable. Let's untwist these because we are going to need them. And it is Type C. Uh, okay, we can set that aside. Do not know what this is. It does feel like there's something in there. Ooh. An adapter piece. I wonder. Ooh, nice. So I can stick it on my boom arm that I just bought. That I'm using for the camera. to. Okay, and we will pull that off because there's nothing else there. And now, oh my goodness, I haven't had a desktop microphone since, oh, good Lord, I don't remember. Maybe 15, 16, somewhere around there. So you're talking about 20 years ago. And it's got a nice sturdy base. That is got some weight to it. I don't even know how heavy that is. Is there anything else in here? Boxes, boxes everywhere. Nope, nothing else inside the box. Just to make it more stable, which is nice. Oh, there is a little booklet in here. This is Elgato. Oh, important safety instructions. So there's that. And we're not going to use this little adapter at the moment. I don't know exactly if I will ever use it. We are going to go and download this real quick. So it says gato.com/gaming/download. Wave 3. Windows. Oh, they got two things to download. Oh. Yeah, no thanks. We'll download and install both of them. You got the Wavelink app, and then you have NVIDIA noise removal. So let's see. We'll download that now too. No thank you. Connect the Wave device. Wants me to connect it already. Now I am going to get USB Type C to C cable only because I do have a USB Type C port on my motherboard. But when I went to try to go to Five Below, the one I'm used to going to wasn't there, and I wasn't going and driving all the way back out to the other one. Don't really understand what happened to the one, but whatever. Store's closed. this is not, probably not where I'm going to have my mic set in. It does move pretty freely. But, I mean, it stays in place. Oh, there we go. That's better. I think I can. Okay. I didn't realize the one was loose. There we go. Now it don't move. Oh no, I can't see. Guess that's why we have cell phones nowadays. Just so we could see. Okay. Now it is plugged in. Welcome to Wavelink. Okay, I am going to close this box. Oh, I guess I could put that back in there too. And we'll slide it back into here. Oh, that goes there. Okay. Well, finish. I accept. Finish. Okay. Well, for the time being, we are going to. I have pull things. Yes, it is. We're going to open up this. Oh, of course, it's sealed underneath the pull thingy. And we got the pop filter. I definitely won't need this box, but knowing me, I will end up keeping it. So I love to save boxes. Oh, pop filter even has a card. Align the magnetic pop filter and let it snap into place. Oh boy. It has one step, and that is it. And that is what it says. Oh, I know you can't really read it. Video quality sucks. But I just read it, so there's that. Quick start guide for a pop filter. Oh boy. I give them this. They do package their stuff really good. I don't see any of these getting damaged in transit. I mean, you'd have to pretty much really crush the box. Okay, so it says to go like that. I don't understand how it's magnetic, but okay. That looks cool. I like that. That looks really cool. Yeah. And I do like the white black. I bought the white because it was $30 cheaper. Because normally I would buy black, but because it was cheaper to buy the white, I bought the white. And they're both identical. So I don't understand why the white was cheaper. Especially $30 cheaper. But it was. So there's that. Okay, now it says welcome to Wavelength. Get started. Select your monitor input. I don't know. Voice. Um, okay. Why? Oh, because there's a next button. Okay, so seeing that we're done with that, let's go through window capture, add source, new source. Yeah, sure. Window. Okay, so we'll go through this together. Elgato Wave 3. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. I don't know exactly. Let's move. Oh, that was loud. Okay. Let's adjust this. Add your channels. Browser. How many channels can I have? Music. Voice chat. Game. System really doesn't matter. Doesn't sound bad, but I'm really gonna have to listen to them both at the same time. Okay, so we got a system. I don't know if I can move them around. I don't know. We got the Elgato, we got the browser, music, voice chat, game, system. Okay. Now, let's see. I really don't know. No. Because my headset mic sounds pretty decent. So if I mute that and unmute that one. Oh, it's like more quiet. Let's see if I take that off. Does that make a difference? Not really. It might for background noise and stuff, which is fine. I like the aesthetic. Um, Sound quality is pretty good. What does that do? Start adding audio effects to your stream mix monitor and microphone FX. Okay, not doing that. No, I don't think they want that. We'll go like that. Oh, now I can't hear myself. So, we'll go like that. And I still can't hear myself. Why not? Hello? Hello? I think I broke it. Um, oh, that's because I had it right there. That's better. Okay, so I did have that set up right. We'll click next. Route app audio. You can route any application audio to Wavelink. Sound settings. Simply click the output drop down menu alongside application. Select Wavelink channel. Okay, so I will not need Voicemeeter anymore. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. So used to having it. Oh boy. Okay. So we are doing our system settings. Oh, the sound to come out of my headset. It's, we'll just start playing something on YouTube. I did not mean for that to be. I just hope you guys can't hear it. Nope. Okay. And that'll go to Wavelength browser. Okay, we can click next on this. Setup complete. Okay, I actually kind of like this. I don't know. Okay, I will still be using Voicemeeter, but won't need all the settings, which will be great. Hmm. So I can just use Voicemeeter Banana. That'll work for me. I don't know. This one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Allows me to click and hold, but it won't let me move it. What sense does that make? Oh, okay. Discord will be set at default. Um, Input. Okay, I do not need it. Okay. That should do that. Let's click on a voice chat and see if it goes in there. Yeah, it didn't. Of course not. Let's see. Let's check. Okay, that did work. It's not very great. It's probably because it's making it to where I hear myself multiple times. Um, yeah, we'll stop that for now. Now, Spotify. I can, we want Wavelength Music. So now, if we play that, okay, so we. Okay, now you should be able to hear me again. That picks up quite a bit. I mean, I could turn it down a little bit more. So what do I have the other one set at? 11.2. Okay, now it's set up the same. It does kind of sound the same, but I do think it does sound better. I really don't know. At least through these headphones, this sounds pretty much identical. I mean, I could turn that up too. I can also turn that down and turn me up. How's that? That's not good. Is that better? Yes, that's actually a lot better. How's that? That's damn perfect. People will be able to hear me more. Okay. So now let's try something else. Oh, Messenger. Put mic in. Tech gaming. Headset. I think that's about it for right now. But overall, I do like it. Oh. Oh, I do have it set up wrong. System is supposed to be that. Okay. So, I'll probably tweak with it some more. But other than that, I think it is really good. I'm able to adjust the volume on the mic and adjust the volume on Streamlabs. I mean, I could adjust the volume in Wavelength also, but I don't think I need to. Alright, so I am very happy with the purchase. Very easy to set up. Pop filter just clips right in. Says it's magnetic, but I didn't really see. And as you can see, I have it set in. Actually, I can take that down. We'll move that out of the way. Oh, I have it upside down. Rotate 180 degrees. Hey, there we go. Yes, I got my Voicemeeter potato. I know my desk ain't totally clean, but there's my one mic. My two 32-inch monitors. just got the monitor mount 2 weeks ago, maybe. I absolutely love it. I have my LTT store desk mat or desk pad. I really like that too. And then my Logitech mouse, keyboard, headset. Well, you guys have a good rest of your night or day.